Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Do you ever feel a little nervous when ordering coffee in English? Today, we're going to fix that. Today's story is called How to Order Coffee in English. You will hear a natural and fun conversation between two friends, Sam and Ellie. They go to a café together, and you will learn all the essential phrases to order confidently, understand sizes like tall, grande, and venti, and talk with a barista. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. These are phrases you can use tomorrow. Ready to sound like a native? Let's jump right in.
Hey Ellie, do you want to grab some coffee before work?
Sure. I was just thinking the same thing. I didn't sleep well last night.
Me too. Coffee always helps me feel better in the morning.
Do you want to go to the usual place? The cafe on the corner?
Yeah, let's go there. But today, I want to try ordering in English.
Oh, good idea. It's great practice. Just keep it simple.
I always get confused about the sizes. Tall, grande, venti. Why is the smallest one called tall?
Yeah, it is confusing. Tall sounds big, right?
Exactly. I used to think it meant large.
Well, it's just their naming style. It comes from Italian.
Oh, Italian.
Yeah. Grande means big in Italian, and venti means 20. It's for 20 ounces.
Oh, so the size names are based on that.
Yep, and I guess they wanted the small size to sound fancy, so they called it tall.
Interesting. Coffee shops are creative.
So, what do you want to drink today?
Maybe a hot latte, something warm and smooth.
Good choice. I might get an iced Americano.
When we order, should we start with the size?
Yeah, something like, I'd like a tall latte, please. Simple and clear.
All right, I'll practice in my head before we order.
Look, we're almost there. Let's check the menu when we go in.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, we're inside. Look at the menu board. It's huge.
Wow, there are so many drinks.
Teas, smoothies, seasonal drinks. Lots of choices today.
I don't even know where to start.
Think about what you want. Hot or iced? Strong or mild?
A warm drink sounds good.
Then maybe a latte or a flat white.
I've never tried a flat white.
It's like a latte, but it's stronger.
Stronger how?
Less milk, more espresso. Espresso is the strong coffee part.
Ah, I see.
Look, here's the size chart. Tall, grande, venti. Remember?
Right, now I remember what you said earlier. Tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large.
Exactly. Do you always order the same size?
Yeah, grande is good for me. I can't finish a venti.
Do you like sweet drinks?
Sometimes, but not too sweet.
Look, they have a pumpkin latte today. It's seasonal.
Does it taste like pumpkin?
Not really, more like spices, cinnamon and nutmeg.
Oh, spices. That sounds good.
There's so much to learn about coffee.
Yeah, coffee is simple, but also deep. Okay, I should practice my order again.
Go ahead. What do you want?
A grande hot latte, please.
Perfect. You'll be fine.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get started for you today?
Hi. I'd like a grande hot latte, please.
A grande hot latte. Great. Would you like it with regular milk?
Yes, regular milk is fine. Thank you.
Would you like any syrup today? We have vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut.
No syrup, thank you. Just the latte.
Okay. And would you like an extra shot of espresso?
What exactly is an extra shot of espresso?
It's a small, strong amount of espresso. We add one more shot. Your drink will taste stronger.
Ah, I see. So it makes the coffee stronger.
Exactly. Many people order it. It gives you more energy. It also makes the flavor deeper.
Thanks for explaining. I think I'll skip it today.
No problem. Your total comes to $5.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your receipt. And this part at the bottom is your one more coffee ticket.
One more coffee? What's that?
It means you can get another coffee today. You get a discount. Just bring this receipt back.
Oh, that's nice. So I can get another latte later?
Yes, any hot or iced coffee drink works.
Great. I might come back this afternoon.
Your drink will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you. And sorry if I spoke slowly. I'm practicing English.
No worries at all. Your English was very clear.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Here you go. One grande hot latte.
Looks great. Thanks again.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a tall iced Americano, please.
Would you like sweetener in that?
No sweetener, thanks. I like it strong.
Less ice, regular ice, or extra ice?
Regular ice is fine.
Would you like an extra shot of espresso?
How strong does it get with one more shot?
A bit stronger, a bit more bitter. People who want more caffeine choose it.
I see. I'll skip it today.
Would you like any flavor syrup? We have vanilla or caramel.
I'll keep it simple today.
Can I have your name for the cup?
It's Ellie. Ellie.
Perfect. Your total is $4.
Here you go.
Here's your receipt and your one more coffee ticket. Oh, I get one too. Nice. Your drink will be ready shortly.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. Tall iced Americano for Ellie.
Perfect. It looks refreshing.
All right, Ellie, here's your drink. And look, we both got the one more coffee ticket.
Yeah, that's a nice bonus. Maybe we really will come back later.
So, how is your Americano?
It's strong and refreshing. I like that clear coffee taste.
Yeah. Americanos always taste cleaner. It's espresso with water.
Lattes are smoother, more milk, more sweetness.
Speaking of lattes, mine is really good.
Do you always drink lattes?
Most of the time, but I drink cappuccinos sometimes.
Cappuccinos have more foam, right?
Yeah, the flavor is a bit stronger than a latte too.
The foam disappears fast, though.
True. By the way, what exactly is an Americano? How is it different from regular coffee?
Americano is espresso plus hot water. Regular coffee is brewed differently.
And espresso is the small, super strong one?
Exactly. Strong flavor, lots of caffeine, small amount.
Got it. What about mocha?
Mocha is like a chocolate latte. It's espresso, milk, and chocolate syrup.
Makes sense. So, cappuccino is latte with more foam?
Exactly. Latte means more milk. Cappuccino means more foam.
Wow, this makes everything clearer. Some people know so much about coffee, like experts.
Yeah, some people can taste a coffee. They say, "Oh, this is from Kenya."
I want to be that cool someday.
You will. Just drink enough coffee.
Challenge accepted.
This is fun. Good coffee, good conversation.
And good English practice, too.
Exactly.
Ordering today made me realize something.
What's that?
The barista asked for your name, but not mine.
If the drink is quick to make, they sometimes skip the name.
The barista spoke really fast, though.
Yeah, but it's okay to ask them to repeat.
Like, could you say that again?
Exactly.
I get nervous speaking English.
Everyone does, but cafe English is simple.
Someday I want to order coffee overseas.
Let's do it together someday. Do you want to come back later? We can use the one more coffee ticket.
Yeah, more coffee sounds great.
What time should we come back? Lunchtime or after work?
Maybe after work. I'll need another boost by then.
Good idea. We can try something different too.
Like what?
Maybe an iced drink? Or that pumpkin latte we saw on the menu.
The seasonal one? That could be fun.
Yeah, it's nice to try new things.
Today I learned a lot. About sizes, about drinks, about ordering.
You did great. Your English was clear and natural.
Thanks. I was nervous at first, but the barista was so kind.
That's why practice is important. Real conversations help so much.
Let's finish our drinks and get going.
Yeah, we should head to work soon.
Today started with good coffee and good English practice.
Perfect way to begin the day.
See you this afternoon for round 2?
Definitely. Same cafe, new drinks.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this coffee shop story and feel much more confident about ordering. Today, you learned not just how to order, but how to do it easily, from choosing your size to having a short talk with the barista. Great job! Now, a quick question. What is your favorite coffee in English? Please write it in the comments below. I love reading your comments. We are making more slow and clear English videos like this every week, so you can listen, shadow, and improve your English consistently. If you want to make English learning a daily habit, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Bye for now.